Hi, in this video, we're going to learn how to turn in screenshots to Schoology assignments. In this example here, I have some COVID-related work that I need to complete because I've been out sick. So I'm going to go find my assignment. I'm going to go into 18th and open up the assignment for October 18th because that's when I started my absence. And I can see here my teacher's asking me to do two different things and provide screenshots proving my completion of those activities. The first activity is a quizzes activity, and the second activity is a coding activity. So let's learn how to take those screenshots and then turn them in to Schoology. So here I've completed my quizzes activity, and I got 100%. I did a great job, and I now want to send a screenshot of this to my teacher to let her know how I did. I'm going to go ahead and scroll down a little bit so she can see my performance status here. And to take a screenshot, I'm going to hold down the Control key on my keyboard and press the key that looks like a little window sliding right above the number 6. I'll get a notification that my screenshot was taken and it was pulled into my folder. A quick bonus tip is that I can do that same thing. I can do the Control key. This time I can press and hold the Shift key as well, and then click that same sliding screen key above the number 6. I now get a little cursor and I can click and drag and get a precise screenshot of what's on my screen, and then I'll say capture. All right, so that's the first screenshot that I needed. I need one more screenshot, so I'm going to go ahead and go to my code.org assignment here. Same thing, I need to take a screenshot. I'm going to press and hold the Control, press the key above the number 6, and I now have captured that screenshot as well. Now it's time to turn these in. I'm going to show you two ways that we can turn these into Schoology. The first way is we're going to click our Submit Assignment button, and we're going to upload a file. So we're going to click this button here, and then we can go find our screenshot. I can go into my Images area, and I'll see all of my recent screenshots with a little preview. I'm going to go ahead and click on this one to open it, and then I'll click Submit. Now, you might be worried, I only submitted one screenshot. That's okay, I can hit this Resubmit button to submit another one. So I'll click Resubmit, click on my file icon, go into my images, pick my next screenshot, click Open, and click Submit. Now I have two submissions here, and I'm good to go. So that is one way that we can submit. The other way that we can do this is to submit both screenshots at the same time. I'm going to go ahead and click the Submit button again. This time, instead of Upload, I'm going to click on Create. And I have this little text box that pops up here, and I can add both of my screenshots to this text box. I'll click this Insert Content button, and I'll click Insert Image. And I'll attach a file. And same thing, I'll go into Images, I'll click on my screenshot and click Open. And then I can rinse repeat the process with the same steps. So I can click right above the screenshot, click the Insert Content button again, click on Image and Media again, attach a file, go into my Images and select my second screenshot. And then I'll click Open. I can just scroll through really quickly, make sure I'm happy with both of those, and then I'll click Submit to turn this into my teacher. If I want to see how any of these submissions came through, I can click on one of them. I'll click on my last one here. That will open up my submission window, normally where I would see my grade and things like that. And I'm going to be able to see the screenshots that I submitted. Once I see them in there, I'm happy, and all I need to do is wait for my teacher's feedback. Thank you for watching this video.